Good morning, travelers. My parents just meet us. They're actually right outside waiting for us. We are heading to breakfast to this place called Skinny Pancakes. So let's see how that is. They had good reviews, so we're gonna start with Saturday.
Well, it was an hour and 15-minute wait for a table, so we're going to try something else. Okay, attempt number 2. We're going to Butler's Pantry. Victoria's excited in time.
I mean, we can just wait. It's an hour, it's not bad. It's Sunday in a little town, so.
While we wait for our table, we're gonna check out Main Street here in Stowe.
We made it to Moss Glen Falls trailhead. So we're actually just gonna walk around. They say that it's about half a mile to like a beautiful like little waterfall. So we are excited for that. And then we also have
Like there's a little bit more trail.
yeah, and like it just keeps going. I think it's like 3 miles or so. It's like, so that should be fun.
Jake's gonna go swim in the upper pool here. This one right up here. But first we're gonna have to climb up. I got it. Yes! Redemption! Okay.
See, he caught it this time.
And Jake's made it up there.
The water was really cool, but we ended up going into it to take pictures by the waterfall. Jake went in. It was really nice. Towards the end, it just felt refreshing, you know, like you couldn't feel the cold anymore.
So we just arrived at Ben & Jerry's.
I'm so excited for ice cream.
Welcome to Middlebury, Vermont.
We made it.
Home to one of my favorite cideries in the entire world. Actually, probably my favorite one, Woodchuck. This is their beautiful cider house and where they make the cider as well. So we're gonna go in and check it out.
So pretty.
So we just arrived at the Streaking Moose BBQ joint. We have yet to see the Streaking Moose, but we've heard he's around here somewhere. We just ordered about 5 pounds of food, so we'll see if the 6 of us can handle that. Yeah, looks like it's gonna be pretty good.
And that's all we're taking home. I think we ate it all.
Well, with that, we pretty much are just driving the rest of the way to Victoria's parents' house tonight, so that'll wrap up today's vlog. So if you enjoyed watching our adventures, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.
And we'll see you in our next cave.